Look at the pace. What is this plant and what's its most prominent medicinal use?
Yarrow? Didn't you say cookie?
It can stop bleeding.
Bleeding. I thought bleeding, but then I wasn't sure if that was right.
Well, just... So you said cooking instead? Anyhow, let's crack on. You want to see some pretty great workmanship? I mean, that's pretty great. Welcome to my kingdom. Alright, I've run into a snag, which is that I took the wrong trail, and I'm not sure when. I passed Cascade Falls 2 miles ago, without realizing it. It's 10 to 5, we're going on another hike. And then we're gonna go shooting. We're gonna shoot stuff. I don't know. Are you gonna go shoot stuff? Because if I put a girl with a gun in the thumbnail, it gets way more views. The river's really high. Just like all of Colorado. Ha! I don't want to joke. We got this filter, which has no taste filter in it, so it's like the full mountain stream experience. Mine is the Giardia.
It tastes like dirt, kind of.
What?
It tastes like dirt, kind of.
No, that's the natural tanginess of the water.
Getting us some breakfast.
Yeah, we just found breakfast. You just have to spit out the little gravel bits that you get with them.